Hello young scholars, welcome to another amazing English class with Miss Damilola. Today we'll be talking about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that replace noun in a sentence. Do not forget that nouns are naming words. So pronoun replace noun. Instead of you saying Mary is coming, so you make use of pronoun she is coming. So pronoun, they replace nouns in a sentence. Now let's check the various types of pronouns we have. Now looking at the types of pronouns, so we're looking at the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are subjective, objective, and possessive. Now look at the examples below. I am happy. I am happy is subjective. I is the subject. I am happy. The gift is mine. The mine there is the possessive, telling you that the gift is mine. My friend gave it to me is the objective. The gift was given to me is the what? Is the objective, as you can see in the examples above too. Now look at these examples. They are friends. It is a cat. She is reading a book. Instead of me saying Mary is reading a book, so she is reading a book. Likewise, the one examples above, instead of me saying let's look for a name, I can say Chioma and Mary are friends. So I make use of the pronoun saying they are friends. Let's look at these examples. My mom is cooking. She is making dinner. Instead of me to say my mom is making dinner, so I rather say she, replacing it with my mom. The dog is barking. It is loud. Instead of me, the dog is barking loud. So it replaced the dog. It replaces the dog. Now let's test what you've learned so far, and I'm sure you've learned some things about pronouns. So you can write the answers in the comment section. I won't tell you the answers, so I want you to do it yourself and write it in the comment section. Something I love about pronouns is that it helps us to talk about people, place, and things without repeating them. You can say Mary is coming, Mary is cooking. No. So you replace them with pronouns. So young scholars, hope you've learned something about pronouns. You've learned a lot about pronouns. And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel to watch more educative videos. So see you guys. Bye.